Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use PWR Posture Corrector Shoulder Brace. So you might be wondering, what is the PWR Posture that you may be hearing or seeing online? So the PW Posture Align Pro is a wearable posture corrector designed to help reduce slouching by gently pulling your shoulders back into a more upright position. Now, according to the official website here, it's intended to support better spinal alignment, improve posture awareness, and help relieve discomfort in the neck, shoulders, and upper back caused by poor posture. Now, the brace is lightweight here, breathable, and adjustable for everyday wear. Now, using the Align Pro is straightforward. You just need to start, or you want to start by laying the brace flat and making sure the back straps are threaded correctly. Now, loosely attach the smaller back strap here to the waist strap and wear it like a vest. Now, secure the large waist strap around the body and finally tighten the smaller back straps until you achieve a comfortable level of support. Now, the company recommend starting with 10 minutes to 1 to 2 hours per day and gradually increasing the wear time as your body adjusts. Now, the brace should fit snugly without restricting normal movement. Now, Align Pro here comes in sizes ranging from extra small to 2XL, which with each order including waist extension piece for additional adjustability. Now, the official website currently lists the brace at $59.99, discounted from the usual $119.99. Now, the purchase also includes free shipping, a free or massage roller during promotional periods, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now, that's according to the website. Now, that's essentially how the Align Pro works. Now, it acts as a posture alignment by gently holding your shoulders in a better position while you wear it. Now, the company recommends using it consistently and pairing it with light stretching or strengthening exercise to help develop better posture habits over time. Now, if you're interested in this product, doing your own research is always recommended. Now, looking at reviews and information from sources outside their official website can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. But that's about it. If you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.